Good morning, YouTube. How's it going? We have the open. We just opened New York market, and now we are waiting. Let's zoom out and see where we are. Definitely wicked into a support on S&P, as well as NAS. Did tap into some support. US 30 actually had a break of structure, a little bit different. I really do think market might pull back. I think we might. I don't know. If we hold this, we're going to be good. Let's look at gold. Oh, wow. It broke. Huh. I was going to short it yesterday. I'm happy I didn't. I was waiting for it to hit that resistance, but it went right through it. Super happy I did not try shorting gold. The VIX is actually increasing. US 10 bonds. I feel like maybe we should have took this, because now we're popping off of that. Which means Bitcoin should pop off. I like this zone. It's tapped this zone multiple times, so I'm willing to take it. 92,750. We'll see if it happens. I know I'm not technically playing off the orb. Well, actually, in a little bit I am, kind of, because it's probably the low of the orb. Yeah, actually, unless it sweeps it. Okay, so if we can see NAS and S&P come play off the bottom of the orb, that would be perfect. What is it going to do? I was going to do something just now. What was it? Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, so Bitcoin series already in profit. And no, we did not take these base off the orb. I feel like XRP is in a really good spot. Because if you zoom out to the hour, we've been in this area a few times. This is the hour time frame. I feel like XRP is building up. Let me clean up the old trades. I feel like we've definitely bounced off this zone. Market cipher is calling a bottom on the hour. Yeah, we haven't been over here since April 30th on the hour. April 24th, April 30th, we were at this area, but exploded off of this on the 21st as well. So XRP's back at the level of support where it took off. So basically, we came back to this zone. We're currently in SUI and BTC, waiting for the orb to form. If you guys were with us yesterday, we destroyed NAS, S&P, Bitcoin, and SUI yesterday. Hopefully you guys took one of those setups. It was too easy. Last week we went undefeated. We were everyday profitable, majorly profitable last week, every single day. And for you guys that are new, you can go over to my YouTube channel and watch Master the Orb Strategy. It is this video right here. Links in the bio of my TikTok if you're wanting to join. I'm also live over on Twitch every day as well, and obviously on TikTok too. Okay, so getting a little pullback. Alright, so let's go look. It is now 6:45. We have formed the orb, the high and the low. Now we're gonna wait and see what to do. I wouldn't be surprised if market pulls back this week. I feel like the market wants to pull back this week. But S&P and NAS are in higher time frame support as we speak. That's what it pulled back to. So now it's struggling to break above right now. Or maybe not. Let's just, oh, big push down. Ooh. Hopefully we can get to play off the bottom of the orb. That would be nice. If we can get a failed break below the low, we can ride the wave up. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it, guys. We have not entered yet. We're just waiting. We're hoping to get a play off the low of the orb. We're hoping that. What is that? Oh. Oh, we got a couple new followers on Twitch. I always forget what that noise is. I'm like, what the hell was that? Okay, we're getting the pullback to the low on NAS and on S&P. Either one will play. Whichever one can get to the low, if it fails to break though. That's if it fails. If you guys want to join my Discord, the link is over in my TikTok or on any of my YouTube videos. The link for Blofin, for Discord, for everything is in there. Come join. It's a free channel. I don't know why you wouldn't join. And join a community that we have been building. The Discord is the newest thing, so still building it up. But would love to have you guys in there. Man, it's kind of an ugly spot for it to. Okay, pulling back. I was gonna say if it starts popping off of there. SUI and Bitcoin pulled back a little. Nothing too crazy. Okay. So here's SUI's orb, or Bitcoin's orb. It's about to touch the bottom of the orb. Okay, just wait for it. it really depends here on S&P and NAS. So if we get a bounce off the bottom of the orb, guys, ooh, not what we, hold on, here we go, let's see if it can respect it. Let's see how this candle closes. Wait for it, hold on, here we go. If it breaks below the orb, ooh, shit. But we're gonna still obviously wait. We have not entered yet. Bitcoin just swept the orb. Oh yeah, I think we're going. Ugh, we might be going lower, guys. But it could be a liquidity sweep. It could sweep the orb and then go higher. How many times have we seen that play off? Here we go. How many times have we seen that happen? Let's wait for it. Might be a failed break below. It might be a failed break. We're also right into 15-minute support right away on the orb. So that's another reason why I don't know if this breakout is accurate for the downside. We wait for the 5-minute to see if it even closes. Let's see what the futures are doing. Futures are pushing up. That's another reason why I'm wondering. Futures are not busted. Okay, now we definitely are seeing. Let's wait here. Well, we might actually. Well, Christopher, DM me. DM me. I teach people how to trade. That's what I do. All you got, if anyone wants to learn how to trade, just DM me. I will personally message you back. We'll talk some more. Okay, here comes. Let's wait for it, guys. Dropping right into support. That's the other thing. But it might snag this. Okay, we're getting green candles. See if we come right back into the orb. Like I said, a failed breakout perhaps. Came right back in. Okay, so now, see how this candle closes? This is why we're patient, guys. Sui's waking up. It's just, I believe it's going to be a failed breakout. Let's see what it does here. Maybe not, though. We gotta wait and see. Hasn't broke above it yet. Below or above the low. It might stay below it. Trust me, I don't want to go bearish. Let's just say that. I'm gonna watch this very closely. I'm gonna watch this candle. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Oh man, do we want to short it? We're going for the short. What just happened? It didn't take my trade. Oh, don't do this right now. Oh my god, you can't be serious. I don't think they're gonna lower rates tomorrow, honestly. Dude, I entered a short and it's not taking it. You gotta be kidding me, dude. What is this doing right now? Hold on, guys, hold on. Dude, why is this doing this? Hold on, guys. I'm having to manually do it on my phone. Hold on. The website's not opening up on... Sorry. This is crazy. It's not wanting to open. This website will do this sometimes. I had to take it on my phone. So we went long on S&P now. We took it off the low of the orb. Just so you guys know, we took it. We went long on S&P. We did. This is such BS. Guys, I'm sorry. We're trying to get this website to load. Sui and Bitcoin are in profit. They are currently riding. I don't know why this website wants to do this right now. This is not cool. This is like the most annoying thing I could do right now. So bear with me. Hold on, guys. The kill shot scanner did call a short over here. Hasn't called the long yet. It's waiting for the EMA cross. But we are in S&P long off the orb. The low of the orb. So definitely it's coming back to the entry also. So you can still have a chance. It's coming back down. I'm only in S&P because of the technical difficulties with this freaking website, dude. This can't be happening right now. Come on. Guys, this is not cool. Let me check my trades. This is prop firm. Okay, our S&P trade is in profit. It is running. Bitcoin and Sui are in profit as well. We're looking good. We're looking good, guys. But we are about to hit some smaller time frame resistance in just a minute. We gotta be mindful of. I mean, honestly, ooh, Ooh, the futures are dumping while these are pumping. Yeah, BTCC I heard of. Oh, for crypto I use Blofin. If you DM me, anyone DMs me, I can send you my referral link for Blofin. But I was also going to mention to you guys, I heard BTCC has a free $100 sign up right now. All you have to do is sign up and you get a free $100. So last time when WeX gave us that, it was like right when I started going live every day, and I told you guys about it. That was a free $100. There we go. Okay, we're back in action, guys. We are back alive. Okay, cool. Thank goodness. Okay, so we need to monitor this, guys. We are. Ooh, it's not good. Wait, we're below? That far below the orb? That don't seem right. Yeah, that's not even right. Hold up. Oh, we're in major profits right now. So that's the orb. I don't know what was going on just a second ago. So if we wait for Naz to break out of the orb, we could take that. Why did the lines move so much? That's weird. $6.45. Okay. 6:30. All right. So those are the lines for the orb. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Man, thank God that website's okay. So we're hitting this 1 minute time frame resistance right now at S&P and Nas. So let's watch this. BTC and SUI are running in profit. We need to figure out what we're gonna do. We bounce off the low of the orb. Unfortunately, we're gonna try the short because it dropped below and then it started to look like it, but we just immediately closed it and switched gears to go off the low of the orb. Man, that website not working kind of threw everything off. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, yeah, we're good, but I'm just saying my entry and everything was way off. So this is what we need to worry about right now, guys. Do you guys see this? We have a bit of a trend line. We're in a wedge right now that we need to break out of. And S&P is the same. Standard Chartered Bank predicts BNB will reach 2,700 a coin by 2028. That's crazy. That'd be the next bull run. No, that'd be the bear market if we're going off the 4-year cycle. Okay, we need to see us pop out of this. We're tapping that line right now. Bitcoin and SUI are running. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Come on, baby. We're approaching the high of the orb. I knew playing off that 15-minute support was gonna... But we could still... I mean, we still need to get above the orb, so I'm not gonna jinx it yet. Okay, we're breaking above. Broke above the orb, guys. We're up 200. 200.
Alex.
Yeah.
Can I pack ramen with chicken?
Yeah. Okay, here we go. We're gonna take Naz, I think. I want to see how this candle closes, though. We need a full body above it. Taking the breakout on Naz. Just took Naz. Okay. S&P is floating. Oh, baby, baby, yeah. Sui broke out. Bitcoin's above its orb. I literally cannot make this up, guys. We have been crushing it. So in S&P, I'm going for 35 and 56, 40 and 56, 35. This is not financial advice, just educational purposes. Yes, and, well, I took it on. I'm not trading futures. I'm trading the actual S&P and NAS. So, but I'm assuming the NQ is probably it's lagging. Usually it's the other way around. Usually the futures are trailing ahead, but S&P and NAS itself are doing better today. Okay, we're at 400, baby. Come on. Come on. Shimon, yeah. Okay, so where are we gonna take Naz? I think 19908. Yeah, let's just go 19900. Just to play it safe. Okay, trailing stop loss. We're up 400. Sui's up, and Bitcoin another like 170. How's our Bitcoin swing trades? It came right back to our third entry. We could have stacked it, honestly, but it's all good. Okay, pulling back a little. Let's see what this guy was calling Brat. He called Brat. Okay. Got a little bit of a pullback, guys. A little bit. Just a little one. Okay, we're pulling back right now. Got a little bit of a pullback. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're at 430. I can just get it up to here. That would be 300 on NAS. If we can get S&P up there, we got... Ooh, we're making a double top right now. Don't like that. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. This could be the pullback candle, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ooh, we don't like this little pullback right now, guys. This is the high of the orb. This box. We do not want to break above, or we don't want to break below this box right now. Just S&P, I mean, we're still floating 350. S&P's pumping now. Here we go. Let me see. Gotta get above this. The other thing though is there's so many green candles to the upside. I feel like we're due for a little. Look at that. NAS gave you another entry, guys. SUI pulled back just a little bit. Bitcoin as well. We're up about 400 roughly right now. Come on, S&P, keep pumping. We're almost to the take profit, guys. Yeah, we'll just set those there. We're catching TP up to here, because there's resistance up there. We've accelerated a good amount, but we're starting to lose our volume. And also, this will be the low, where we're taking our TP is right where the low of yesterday's orb is. It's another confirmation that that's probably the best place to close. Take profit and close. We crushed it yesterday. Today is already really good as well, guys. I'm excited. We are doing great. We're doing great. We're doing great. Come on, we can finish this move. Yesterday we had we killed it yesterday, but we didn't have to close it just a little early. Just it started lagging too much, and we just got out early. And I think it did play out. Or no, it actually reversed, so it was good that we got out. Because I think it started to reverse on us. I want to take SUI to the low of yesterday's orb as well. Crypto has been moving slower than the indices. Oh, wait. Wait for it, guys. We're so close. We're getting there. I should start counting my pips. Like how many pips I catch in a week with you guys. You see it bounce off this blue line. We don't want to break that line. Need to hold that, guys. Pulling back yet again on SUI. We need S&P and NAS to finish this move. So S&P and NAS I trade on a prop firm called Funding Pips. Fundingpips.com. I know I personally have been paid out, and I know a lot of people have been paid out by them. Plus, they're cheaper. Total threes hitting major resistance right now. Okay. The long run, yes, I'm in NAS and S&P. Welcome everyone. We are live, crushing it just like yesterday. We're almost to our take profit. I mean, we could close now and be up 360, but it's got a little bit more to go, man. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. We're almost there, guys. NAS, we got a little more to go. S&P, we're even closer. Hold on a sec. Push up. We're at almost 500 on this account right now. Oh, come on. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. I don't like the 5 minute right now. On either or. Just give it a second. Let's look at Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. Hey! Jimbo, come here. Okay, we're pulling back. A little bit of a pullback. What do you got? Okay. It's all good. We hit all of our TPs, we're talking 326 to about 200 and 300, so 6, 7, 8, 800 something, roughly. Definitely be a good day. We need crypto to wake up a little bit, man. I feel like it's been lagging. I mean, it did push up yesterday. We did get a nice little pump yesterday, but I don't know. It wasn't. I feel like indices have been better. I do got to take the kids to school, guys, so I will be watching this closely from my phone. I appreciate y'all. I will be back in a little bit. Definitely. What's up, guys? We are back. I just wanted to give you a recap. So S&P hit our take profit. We also hit TP1 on NAS right here. And so we hit TP1, which, I'm sorry. No, we hit TP1 and 2 on S&P. And now NAS, we had it a little bit farther, which now I'm kind of like, maybe we should have. So we're on an aggressive little pullback. Now it's kind of at a point where it's like, I'm just going to let it do its thing. As long as we bounce off of here, I think we're good. So want to watch what that's doing. BTC and SUI. SUI's on a more aggressive pullback right now, so we need to definitely keep an eye on this. I don't want to. Yesterday I gave up some of my profits on SUI, so I definitely don't want that again, because that was pointless to give it back. I didn't lose, but I could have closed with a bigger profit. But I was busy yesterday driving around and handling stuff, errands, and I wasn't watching it closely. But so another great day. As you can see, 890 right here. Boom, 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 boom. It's killing it on the prop firm account. Alright guys, I'm gonna get ready. Got the car auction today. Appreciate y'all. See you later. Guys, I got an update for you. We might actually look for a short now. So crypto market, obviously you guys that were on today, we smashed S&P and Nas. Let me get a little live going for TikTok as well for you guys. Hold on. So this morning we destroyed Nas and S&P, right? We killed it. We did great. We were in and out. Look at that, $1,100 profit. Woo! Okay, so this is on our funded account. Okay, our prop firm, which we're about to start getting payouts on now. Okay, gold's in a good little zone right now. Oh, that's on the 1 minute. Okay. Oh shit, pulled back on the 15. I like this. Shit, hold on. We're gonna wait a second, but we're just getting our trigger finger ready. Now, I was at the auction and this thing massively pulled back on me right here, and then now finally woke up. Or not on here, on SUI it pulled back aggressively. Ooh, Bitcoin's pulling, or no, that's Solana. Hold on guys, let's see what it wants to do here. We might just get out of our trades. Cause this morning, man, I let like $250 go. I was busy at the auction, I wasn't paying attention, you know. And you can see SUI massively pulled back on us. We rode this up from the morning. Wait, no. Where were we? Hold on. We were starting to go up in the morning. Okay. So ORB breaks out. Or did we catch it? Wait, hold on. Oh, right over here. I'm sorry. So we were starting to ride in profit. We were good. We caught the low of the ORB. We caught it very early. That's right. We caught it very early. 6:30. See? This is where it is. SUI pulled back aggressively. Now it's in this resistance. Right, it's in this resistance. We're getting a little pullback. I might go for the short on SUI right now. Actually, I think I'm gonna. I really am. It's gonna be a very tight stop loss. We getting in very early. We might close these longs. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's try it out. Stop loss is gonna be 3.4. $3.40. So this is an update. Oh, it is pretty aggressive actually. We killed it this morning, Nas and S&P. Now we're also looking at gold though. Welcome everyone, welcome. What's going on here? Wait, what is going on? Unstable connection. Hold on. Sorry guys. Not sure what's going on with TikTok. There we go. Wait, is it going yet? Guys, I'm having some technical difficulties. Bear with me, okay? Let me just restart the live for, there we go. Okay. We might take a gold long. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we're taking it. We're taking the buy on gold, guys. Stop loss will be 3374. So we're risking 0.7%. Ooh, the Sui long or the Sui short's not looking too good right away. We can always exit quickly. Obviously, I want to see my longs pump up anyway, so trying to bounce off this right here. Hopefully, if we break this, I'm just gonna close. Bitcoin's hovering, Ethereum's hovering. So let's just give Sui a second because this might play out, and that way, if the market does decide to shift to shorts, because everything's hitting major resistance right now. Marked up this box, as you can see. You see what I'm saying? This is what we marked up for the morning. Unfortunately, Sui pulled back harder than anything else. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. But here's the thing. Bitcoin broke above this. So this is now a level to watch right here. Now, yeah. ETH broke above this. So I'm hoping it plays off of this now. I'm hoping we actually play off like this. Let's see. Solana, we're also in the Solana long. Same thing, just like ETH. Let's see if it can bounce off of this. Same exact thing. I'm going to get rid of this though. Okay. Just want to make this more clean for you guys. Money flow is starting to decline, but it's starting to bounce again. Let's see how... I'm liking gold. We're in this right here. It's just going to be a short trade. Okay, so S&P, we destroyed it today, guys. We did so good. But it did pull back down around 12 o'clock. Oh, we got a new Twitch follower. Let's see. I appreciate you, man. Anyone that's on TikTok or Twitch right now, I go live every single morning. So definitely hop on 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern. We trade the orb. We have been going undefeated week after week. We have literally been just destroying. Oh, gold's in profit already. Sui's the one that's looking a little iffy. But guys, please tune into my lives, man. You can follow my YouTube page as well. All in with Mitch. All one word on every single platform. Instagram, X, YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. All in with Mitch. All one word. This strategy, the orb strategy that we trade every day, we have been just destroying it. Yes, who's Bonzi boy? Who is Bonzi boy 1? Jaden Lopez. I appreciate that, man. I love it. Thank you for teaching me orb, or teaching me, brother. Never knew about the orb strat until I saw your TT lives. Made about 2,000 on my prop firm account today trying to pass my evals. I appreciate that, man. Yes, Jaden, man. Hit the follow button. Dude, I do this every morning. So I learned, I've been trading 5 years. I just learned the orb strategy 2 months ago. And we have just been going multiple weeks undefeated. Every week has been profitable. When I first started trading the orb, you know, I've been learning and crafting different ways to do it. Like how today we played Naz off the bottom of the orb instead of, like, because I saw it didn't break the low of the orb this morning right here at like 8 a.m. my time. And then we played off the bottom of the orb and ran this whole move up. When you're trading with larger accounts, guys, you can make significant amounts in these scalps this big. But sometimes, especially with crypto on the orb, you get major breakouts. You saw with Sui. I mean, look at this one. Orb breakout, boom. Massive moves, dude. Massive. Look at drop, boom. Here, broke the low, dropped, boom. Broke the high, went high. I mean, they're massive moves that work on crypto, S&P, NAS, and we're leveraging all of it, bro. We are doing the indices, gold, and crypto off the orb every day, and it has been amazing, man. And I'm just helping you guys out, man. You know what I mean? Like, tune into my streams every morning. Okay, so the Sui short might have been a bad idea, guys. We might have went against the wave, but the longs are obviously still going. But maybe we shouldn't have tried taking a stab at the Sui short. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully, it'll just let us get out at the entry and we can just close because it's pulling back right now. Hopefully, it comes down and we can just close it. Gold's a little bit in profit. Obviously, we're not trading off. Actually, so with gold, we have been noticing that you'll play off the orb. See, oh, if you took gold off the orb this morning at 9 a.m., you would have destroyed it. Look at that. Wow, that would have been a massive move. That is 390 pips, dude. But sometimes, like, look at the previous day. We played off the orb at 12. That was a huge move off the orb. We got to start watching gold more off the orb. But right now, we're back in the orb from this morning. And I'm wondering if we bounce out of it, or it could. Sometimes it plays London session into the orb. So we'll watch that closely. S&P and NAS actually boomed again at 2 p.m. Just took off. So that's why crypto is booming right now too, is because before the market closed, it had a huge push up, which obviously we're not complaining about at all. So maybe we shouldn't have shorted Stewie. Let's just give it a second though. Hey, I appreciate you guys on Twitch. I've been honestly trying to get... Twitch has been the hardest one to get up. So pips are a point in percentage. So when you're trading things like Forex, literally with anything really. Like gold, for every, so every whole number, like 3378, right? So if you go 3377.692, each one of those points is a pip, right? So like one whole number is 10 pips. So if you see here on gold right now, like 3378.058. So if we go up, then that's, 0.181. Those are pips that's going up. So the easiest way that I do it for gold, everything's measured a little differently. But also if you go like this, if you grab this tool right here, the little ruler, and just go like this, it'll tell you. So see on the right, it says 151. If you just, for gold, just eliminate the last 5 and the 0.3. So this is 151 pips. Okay, that's how you measure it. Or like how this is 15.1. So really it's 151 pips in this move right here. And if you look over here, it's 3386 to 3402. So 151 pips, but it's 15 whole number difference. You get what I'm saying? But if you measure in S&P, it's a little bit different because everyone calls it points. So if S&P moves from 5639 to 5655, that's, a point, like 16 points. So it's just everything's measured differently. If you go to crypto, that's where it gets a lot big. It's like gold, like how. So that in on Bitcoin, that's 300 pips, just that move right there. So like, it's just point in percentage. So it's just how they measure moves, especially in Forex. It's a lot easier in Forex if you go to like, oh shit, look at the boom. Let's get out, Stewie, guys. Let's get out. Bitcoin is booming right now. Let's just get out of that because Bitcoin just started pushing up aggressively. So that means the alts are about to do the same thing. Let's eliminate that. That was just not going to be in our favor. Which, yeah, it was pointless to even enter that. But what I was seeing was, it looked like for a minute, and we still could. It might still happen. Market drop. Downstairs. Okay, and then we came up to this order block. At first I was thinking, and it still might even play out. I might have gotten out early. I just don't want to risk it because I just saw Bitcoin like booming. Look at Bitcoin right now. So, yeah, Solana's about to start pumping. XRP's pumping. We're getting a nice pump for the Asian market. And it's why I hopped on the live, because I'm usually just live 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern, but I saw the market moving, and I also wanted to give an update on what happened with our trades this morning. If you're on my lives, we killed it on S&P and on NAS. We got in and out. We got a nice bag. And then we were also in Bitcoin. And is there news right now? Hold on. What is going on right now? Tuesday. Okay. There's no major news. So what is going on right now? RCMT economic optimism. I've never even trade balance. So the trade balance, difference in value between import and export goods and services, but it's a yellow folder. It's not a red folder, so it's not anything super. But right now, anything could be sensitive news. Tomorrow we have FOMC meeting. I don't think. Let's see what the forecast is for. This is for interest rates. Okay. They're only predicting 2% for a rate cut, guys. Oh man, we don't look like we're gonna get a rate cut, guys. A month ago, we were looking at 33% chance. Now it's not rated in. Tomorrow's going to be a big day in the market. There is a 30% chance in June. June 18th is the next one. Then July 30th. I do think we're going to get rate cuts this year. It's just the real question that every professional trader is wondering is when that's going to be. Okay? That's the million-dollar question right now. When is the rate cut happening? Now, I am going to have a special guest soon. I'm going to do a video, and obviously I'll go live on Twitch as well and TikTok. I'm going to have a special guest. It's someone that is a professional trader and poker player. This guy, let's just say back in 2012, started accumulating thousands of Bitcoin. He still obviously is a leveraged day trader in the market every day, but this guy, me and him talk. We obviously talk a lot about trading crypto. He mainly just trades crypto, I believe. But yeah, I'm going to do a video. I want you guys to definitely hop on that. It will be a cool experience. Get to learn his strategy and also like what he looks for in the market. Also what coins he's looking at long-term investing wise. And just kind of pick his brain, kind of hear his story on how he got into crypto back in 2012 and how crypto has changed his life. We will do a full video. I'm talking with him, setting up when we can do that. Okay. Now, also, guys, hold on. Why isn't this charging? There we go. Okay. That's my other phone. So, if you've been following us, I've been on this account swing trading BTC since April 20th at 84,000. We've been stacking this position. Boom, boom, boom. This is a crypto prop firm, and I really just want to see how far we can take it. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I should have added to the position today, honestly, but I just thought it's cool catching long. I know us personally on the live every day, we're in and out of the market usually, but I do like to, it's good to have an account for different styles. So an account that's more intraday or swing trade, have an account that's like this where you're in and out, you know, like we do every day. I'm a better scalper / intraday trader. I'm the ORB strategy. That's what works for me. That's what is consistently just printing money every week right now for us, and I'm gonna continue to do that with you guys. You got to find what works best for you, right? You got to find what works best for you, because at the end of the day, that is always going to be whatever is going to make you consistently profitable, guys. Hold on. I want to save these for a video. Okay. Obviously, I'm getting better about posting highlights and recording the actual trade themselves. So we just made a triple top on Sol on the 1 minute. I want to see though if we can bounce off this box. Obviously, if we're getting into some resistance, okay? We're getting up there. Still got a little ways to go, I feel like. I'm starting to think that Sui trade actually might have worked. Let's just see. Where's that? Sui. Here we go. No, it would have been. I mean, it might play out. We'll see. But could have got a better entry, if anything. I just was not trying to risk a bunch. It did break structure on the 1 minute, but came right into this right here, which is actually a fair value gap on the 1 minute, which obviously isn't super like strong, but obviously the lower the time frame, or the higher the time frame, the stronger it is, right? So if you're hitting a fair value gap, Oh yeah, we'll get past 100K on Bitcoin again. I don't know about not today, but no, we're gonna be going past that. No question about it. So Bitcoin right now, or gold right here. Hopefully this starts really pushing, waking up. Ooh, I don't like the 5-minute though. We are in the Asian market right now. Lower volume, guys, but I thought this was a decent little stab at it. I want to see what Bitcoin does here. If it breaks this, we might just close. We're going to follow this just like we do in the morning. Moving inch by inch, right? I'm hoping if we even come down here, if we do break this box. It's cool to see the market do everything on every time frame, right? You can see everything, dude. You can see everything play out on every time frame. Doesn't matter what time frame you're on. Obviously, like I was just saying, the higher the time frame, the stronger. Like hitting certain resistance and support on the 1 hour versus hitting support on the 1 minute or 5 minute. Totally different. Unless you're in the same zone, but just shrinking down to a smaller time frame. So, if you guys are really wanting to learn how to trade, please DM me. That is what I do. I teach people. We are doing live events in person May 10th, depending on what city you're in. I know we're doing them here in Portland, Oregon, Seattle, Seattle, Miami, also another spot in Florida, Kansas City, and where else? Oakland, California, and I believe Sacramento as well. And actually, you know what? Here, we just do this. New York. Oh, and so Portland, Seattle, New York City, Oakland, Kansas, Tempe, Arizona, Tampa, Florida, and Miami, Florida. May 10th, in-person event. Would love to have you. If you guys are at any of those cities, please comment, DM, whatever you gotta do to get a hold of me. Also follow my IG, X, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, every single platform. Just type in All In with Mitch. And obviously, I go live every day at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern. But I also... This is weird. What is going on? So, how is this possible? This video, just the other day, had 280 views. How did it go down in views? This is... And also, if you look at any of my YouTube videos, every link for everything is in here. How does your views go down? This is a bug, or what is going on here? So even here it says 170 views. So why did it say YouTube search, channel pages, external others? That is weird. Not enough people watching the full video, though. Definitely not. Yeah, it's computer. Huh. Yeah, the content side, I just started, like, I'd say 2 months ago, and then just now, and going live every day 2 months ago. Starting to consistently post on it every single day now, just recently. I've been going live every day, though. I do that consistently, but posting the videos was something I was not doing every day, and now that I do it every day, I see the difference, you know? So, like, right now, I gotta edit up this last video. Or no, this one's already posted. I need to... New project. Okay, gold's in profit a little bit. It's not moving very fast, though. to, I gotta do 505 still. So this is Monday's trading. Yeah, it's a long video I gotta edit up and put out there. And then I gotta put today's video as well. We had two, so far this week we killed it Monday, we killed it Tuesday. We're still killing it Tuesday. So we have been eating. If you guys have been on my lives, I definitely hope you've been taking the trades, because we have been going undefeated most weeks. So what's the first thing I should do to day trade the very first? So what you should do is follow my TikTok, my Twitch, my YouTube channel. But you should also, if you're trying to learn how to really trade and join a community that is hands down the best and will guide you through everything, just DM me, and we'll hop on a Zoom call and we'll talk some more, my man. Just DM me. I am a part of the biggest education platform out there when it comes to trading, forex, crypto, stocks, e-commerce, social media, marketing, mindset. We do everything, man. So we have live sessions all day long, every day. This is exactly where I learned how to trade, my man, and was the best decision I ever made. Let's just say that. What's up, Cut It Up? How you doing today? I hope you're on the live this morning. We killed it on NAS and S&P, Bitcoin, Solana, ETH. We were in and out of NAS and S&P. Just snagged quick 800, got out, been done for the day on those. But the crypto trades were actually still holding. Wasn't even on purpose either. I was just at the car. Like, I sell cars. I have a business selling cars outside of trading full time. And educating, but I was at the car auction and I forgot to close my trades on the crypto side, right? And like, I've always been telling myself, like, close all trades while you go on the days that I go to the auction, because obviously I'm not following and watching it closely. But today I got lucky. I stayed in the trades on accident, but obviously they at first pulled back for a minute, but obviously now they're running even more. So yeah, definitely grateful that these things kept running, because it could have been all bad. Like, Sui pulled back on me. Sui, actually, I was in Sui and that got stopped out, and it was up prior to that majorly. So wish I would have closed it when I went to the auction. Hello. I'm almost done, but now we're just kind of, if we don't break above here, I'm just gonna take the profit and run. I stayed in it. I wish I didn't. Learning experience. Yeah, I get it. My whole thing was, like, you saw NAS and S&P. I was in and out today on the live, killed it, grabbed my money, and that's the best way to trade. Like, just take your profit and go, because as long as you don't enter another trade, you were profitable that day. You know, I kind of let the crypto trades keep going because they were starting to boom, and yeah, like I said, Sui pulled back way more than the others. That was the thing that stopped me out. The other Bitcoin and Solana stayed. I was still in them, but you see, look how much Sui dropped. Boom, it just came crashing down. And honestly, look at this. So this was, oh no, that's not the correct orb. So yeah, broke the orb, went down, and then just immediately came back up at, what time was this? 2:50. So I was like just leaving the auction, and this is when I noticed that I got killed on Sui. But man, thank goodness for Solana and BTC to wake up. Look how it played off this box perfectly. We just marked this up a minute ago. I was like, watch it play off this new now support. Before it was resistance, and we were here, came back down, just blasted through that. Now I'm thinking this will probably be our take profit zone, 147.50. Probably the best spot, and I already set it to that, by the way. ETH, I'm gonna go ahead and see. I would say probably around 1828, 1825, just to call it an even number. Bitcoin, I think we'll get a strong reaction once we get, I mean, look at this, can't make this up. It's been holding this zone, 93,000. It's just been boom, boom, boom. This could be where we start to catapult, guys. It really could be. If we can get above 90, let's just call it 98,000, and then get above to 100K, we are looking very good. This is a beautiful breakout today. I mean, you could have been just trading Bitcoin off this level every time it hit here. And that's why I trade different accounts for different things, right? Like, main account, we trade the orb every day, we crush it. That's what is consistently working for me. But on this account, we've been swing trading Bitcoin since April 20th, right? So it's good to have, oops, not loading. It's acting weird. But we've been riding Bitcoin since April 20th on this one. You gotta be flexible, you know what I mean? I'm not saying right away. I've been doing this 5 years, so I'm not saying this is something you need to do, especially early on. Like, early on, you need to figure out one thing that works and focus on that. Me personally, if I was new, I would be dialed in trying to learn this orb strategy, because what I show you guys every day, the orb strategy, I only learned it 2 months ago, and I'm hooked. I'm insanely impressed at how accurate and easy it is, right? So, welcome everyone that's coming in. And if you want to learn it, obviously hop on my lives, right? But master the orb strategy for day trading on my YouTube channel. Go watch this video. It breaks it down. I also go over it on this, where is it? I did a Zoom call with my team right here. But I would watch this one. Master the orb strategy for day trading, step-by-step tutorial. That video will break it down very well. Let's see. I appreciate you guys on Twitch. We've been growing pretty quick. It's taking. Okay, guys. So Solana tapped TP. I had to cut the video for a second just because. Actually, I'll turn on Twitch as well. Hold on. I had to cut the video for a second. I was getting an important phone call. Sui is like, holy crap. This thing's running, guys. I'm kind of surprised where it started to pop off at. Oh, I see it now. There's a trap candle in there. Oh, not really. It's not. I mean, I guess it's the top of this right here. It's just kind of a weird spot. Did we touch that zone before? I'm just trying to see on the daily why that zone was so... Boom. Oh, okay. So, it does. Look at this. So, way over here, November of 24. This is, I mean, you can literally see. Look at that. Then let's zoom back in to the 1 hour. Now it all makes more sense. So it sweeped all that, probably a lot of stop losses, and then pumped. You can see how that yellow line was actually a very significant level, and it wasn't something I saw immediately until just now. Sui is really blowing up right now. This is a great Asian market. So Solana hit take profit. We are out of it. Totally fine. Really happy we immediately closed that Sui short. That would have been all bad. Now ETH and BTC are still running, but they have now hit pretty significant resistance, guys. So what do we do from here is the question. Well, let's break down to the 1 minute. Let's see. We respected that box. Let's see if we can break or respect this zone, this little box on the 1 minute. The same thing for ETH, but it will be down here, be a little bit lower. Gold unfortunately did pull back, guys. Not really a big deal. We will let this just kind of do its thing and play out. But I do like what is happening. I wish we would have caught Sui on the breakout, man. If I would have seen, I mean, I was at the auction and stuff. I'll be honest, if I would have seen the daily hit that level, I would have probably jumped in, but it is what it is. We already had Solana and Bitcoin and ETH. I mean, I'm not going to overtrade for no reason. But now we are in zones that we need to see. technically this is now support, so we might see Sui actually be able to react off this. Anyways, I wanted to give you a recap of the entire day. Monday we killed it. Tuesday we killed it even more. Tomorrow we have FOMC minutes, meeting minutes, so we have the interest rate talk. I don't think we're gonna get a rate cut, but I think the markets probably already knows that, and probably, but we might still see something happen. Okay, so tune in tomorrow, 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern on Twitch and TikTok. Obviously, I then film and edit and post the video onto YouTube. So if you want to get the live, in the moment experience and take the same trades that I'm calling out week after week, day after day, that has been just smacking every freaking day, or at least every week. I mean, last week we were undefeated. The week prior we only lost on Friday. Like, I'm live, I'm not making this up. You can literally hop on and I'm helping you guys live. I mean, it doesn't get much easier. But if you're wanting to really learn how to trade and have more hands-on, join the community, join the team, comment down below, DM me, figure out what you got to do to get a hold of me, man. You can follow me on every platform: X, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube. All in with Mitch. All one word, all in with Mitch. So definitely go do that, and I appreciate all of you every single day. You guys make me a better trader. You really do, because I'm more like, I'm very on point and making sure I call solid setups for you guys. I don't want anyone to lose a trade. So you guys actually make me a better trader. You really do. Ever since I started going live 2 months ago, I've had better and better results because of you guys. And I mean that hands down, no question about it. So I'm going to get these videos posted for you guys, and I will see you in the morning. Peace out.